Sophie here. Welcome back to a new video. Hi. I'm saying hi upside down. Ah. Hi. Might be wondering about this bandage. Tell you later. Okay, so today we're going to be using my Crayola. And we're going to be drawing again. So today we are going to be drawing an old English sheepdog or a koala. So this koala. So this is 2-in-1, today's video. And I'll just be using my Crayola. So first we're going to start with drawing the koala. So just draw a small nose like this. This is much better with markers. I'm going to be back. Okay guys, sorry I took so long. Had to get some stuff. Now, as you can see, first you draw a cute little nose for your koala. Make sure to make it kind of like a gumdrop. I didn't, because I do this. Kind of just go around, under, up, and match back to that line. Like that. Looking good so far for all of you watching. So next you're going to take a nice line, like that. Go under, and then again with the other side. Now we're going to work on its eyes. Just draw some nice eyes like that. Make a line through them. Color that in. Make a giant circle. And then add the cute little star. Okay guys, so there's your two eyes. Now you're just going to take and go like that and that. Now just draw an under and do that with the same side. Now go up, curve out, and in. Same other side. Go up, curve out, go in. Now go down and make it like that. Now it's best if you just add a line there, and a line there, and in, out, in, out. Kind of make some squiggles so it looks all furry and nice around there. That. So next you're just going to take and you're going to draw, start from here. We're going to take it down, draw that, and then make a body, draw on the other side, but on the other side you don't finish. Actually that was a really big mistake, but whatever. Now do it with this side. Okay. Now I'm just going to draw some cute little things like that. And that is your koala. I know mine looks kind of bad, but I'm sure you could do better. Just don't make the head as big. I know I said Old English Sheepdog, but we might actually change this one. Nah, I wouldn't do that to you guys. We're doing an English Sheepdog. Don't worry. Okay. What am I doing? Okay. Here we go. Start with your nose. Go under. And make 2 little lines. This is the nose, the mouth, and the little things that dog usually has. Now, make some nice thin eyes, some ears. If you haven't already, go subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel, Martha and Me. I know this is also a fat English sheepdog, but like, yeah, it's still an English sheepdog, okay? I tried, believe me, I tried. Now then, I am making it a sitting English sheepdog. So there's its back leg, now its front leg, its other front leg, and its back leg. Okay, now just make them kind of hairy. Then draw a straight line like that. Make it hairy there. And there you have it, your Old English Sheepdog. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!